Governor Oyetola of Osun State has berated the People's Democratic Party (PDP) governorship candidate, Senator Adeleke, saying he does not possess the capacity to govern the state. Oyetola, who is the candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in the June 16 gubernatorial election, said governance is a serious business for serious-minded persons rather than a dancing competition or a child's play as misconstrued by the candidate. He made the statement during his re-election campaign held at Ibukun and Oriade constituencies. No fewer than 20 senators are set to dump the APC for the PDP and other political parties. The ruling party, which had earlier lost over 10 senators to the opposition parties, is troubled by the wave of defection as more lawmakers that lost their return tickets to the National Assembly during the party primaries are set to leave the party. President Muhammadu Buhari has departed Nigeria for Kigali, Rwanda to attend the 26th Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting being held from June 20 to 26, 2022. This was disclosed by Femi Adesina, Special Advisor to the President on Media and Publicity. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, has set up a committee to pacify and woo the Rivers State Governor, Nyesom Wike, and other aggrieved members of the party. A member of the House of Representatives from Oyo State, Shina Pella, has joined Accord Party after defecting from the All Progressive Congress, APC. Last Friday, Shina Pella announced his defection from APC, which he accused of lacking democratic tenets. President Muhammadu Buhari has declared support for the APC presidential candidate as Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. As Peter Obi's presidential campaign gathers momentum on social media, Babangida Aliyu, former governor of Niger State, has dropped his 2 cents, saying that it is too early for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party to run for president. Who do you think will win the Osun State election?